Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Okay, let me backtrack real quick. So over the past 6 months, I've been really into skincare. I have been into skincare, I want to say, for about the past like 4 or 5 years. I've been really into taking care of my skin and just like putting creams and stuff on it. But over the past 6 months, I definitely want to say that I am more into cleaner skincare products, and I've been really paying attention to what I put on my skin and how my skin reacts to it and just how my skin looks without makeup. Because to be honest with you guys, a year ago I was really not confident without makeup. Like, I really hated leaving the house without makeup. Like, I felt like I constantly needed makeup just to kind of make my skin look good and whatever the case was. But over the past 6 months, I've just been like totally okay without wearing makeup, which is, I never thought, to be honest with you, that I would get to this place where I'm like confident without makeup. Like, I know that, like, you know what I mean? Like, I was always so like, oh my god, if they see me without makeup, what are they gonna think? You know what I mean? But using these clean skincare products and really taking care of my skin, I feel like has made a difference in my skin's appearance and definitely in my confidence without makeup. So I wanted to share with you guys my top 5 products that I have been loving and that I really feel like make a difference. One of these products, I'm kind of cheating because I just started using it like a week ago, but I'll explain that to you guys at the end. But yeah, so if you guys are interested to see my go-to skincare, then keep watching. So for this video, I didn't really want to talk about facial cleansers or anything like that because I feel like I've spoken about that a lot recently. I don't know. If you guys want to know like what my top facial cleansers are, definitely give this video a thumbs up and I will be sure to share those with you guys. But I wanted to start off with just like my face, like actual creams for your face. You know what I mean? Moisturizers and creams and whatever. So the first one I want to talk about is from Drunk Elephant. This is the Lala Retro Whipped Cream. This is what it looks like. It comes in this cute packaging with this cute pump. You just kind of press down and the product comes out right here. So I had gotten this in a like 100-point sample, I want to say like a year ago, and I was into it, but at the same time I wasn't into it. And then I recently purchased it again like a few months ago, and I was just like, let me give this like another try. So I picked it up and I love this cream. Now, this is not a cream that I recommend putting on before you put on makeup, like whatsoever, because it is one of those thicker consistencies, you know what I'm saying? So if you put makeup on over it, it's just gonna like suck it all up because it is so moisturizing. So I don't put it on like during the day. This is strictly like a nighttime cream that I use. I use this after I exfoliate because the exfoliator that I have is kind of like, it's not harsh, but it does really exfoliate my skin and really feel like my skin just feels very smooth after. And obviously when you exfoliate, you're really like scrubbing your skin and stuff. So I want to retain the moisture in my skin. So on nights that I exfoliate, this is the cream that I will use. And honestly, my skin, it just looks like healthy. It looks dewy, but like healthy. I wake up in the morning and I still actually kind of feel the cream on my face. That's how thick this moisturizer is. So just beware if you're like looking for like a moisturizer during the day. I wouldn't recommend this one. But I love this one. This cream says that this is an all-purpose rescue cream whipped into an airy blend of 6 rare African oils, recovers and locks in intense moisture for hours after application. That is not a lie. I am not kidding. I do suffer from dry skin, not like insanely dry skin, but like I will get dry like around my nose, I'll get dry like on my chin, and I will kind of have like from time to time like dry patches on my face. But since I've been using this, I really ever like very rarely ever get that, which is whew, like thank God. I love this and I'm really excited to see how it's gonna like hold up, like how my skin's gonna hold up using this cream during the winter, because in the winter time, I live in New York, it's gonna be really cold and really dry, and that's like the time of the year where my skin is at its absolute worst. So I'm excited to see how this is gonna like hold up my skin during the winter, but I think we'll be good. But if you're somebody with dry skin, or you're just somebody that wants to kind of retain the moisture in their face and kind of wake up feeling like your skin looking plumped and stuff, I definitely recommend this guy. I love it. Alright, so the next product is from Drunk Elephant. This is the Protini Pello, I don't even know how to say this, so I do apologize. Polio Peptide Cream. This is what it looks like. This was actually in the Sephora birthday gift, and I just recently started using this because obviously my birthday was last month, and I did receive this in the birthday gift, and I have like put in a pretty decent dent. This is not a extremely hydrating cream. This is a very lightweight moisturizer, so it's nothing compared to this. So if you're somebody that really needs intense moisture, I definitely recommend this. But if you're somebody that has just like normal to dry or whatever like type of skin, this one is a great one. It's very, very lightweight. I like to use it in the morning because I find that obviously, like let's say I get up and I'm getting ready for work. Like I'll get up, I'll wash my face, I'll put my moisturizer on, I'll go downstairs, do what I have to do, shower, and then I'll sit down to do my makeup a few hours later. And this cream is fully absorbed into my skin, and my skin just feels moisturized. Like you know how like, okay, so this one, if you go to put makeup on, you're definitely going to still feel it on your skin, but this one, it's completely moisturized. Like it's not moisturized, it's completely sucking into my skin, but my skin feels moisturized. So I don't know if I'm really explaining it right, but you don't feel like you have like a bunch of moisturizer on your face like at all. Seriously, this is such a lightweight formula. What does it say? It says, this breakthrough protein moisturizer combines an unprecedented array of concentration of single peptides, growth factors, supports amino acids, and pygmy water lily for visible and immediate improvement in the appearance of skin tones, texture, and firmness. So, I mean, I don't know if it like firms my skin. I don't use it for that purpose. I just use it simply because I like how it makes my skin feel, and I really, really enjoy it. I used to be ride or die for I still am ride or die for the Tatcha water cream. I love that, but the water cream I feel like disappears like that. Like when you put on your skin, like it's just absorbed and like that's it, which is cool. That's fine. But I like that over time, like this just absorbs into your skin and it just really leaves that moisture. Like the water cream, once it absorbs, like I feel like I don't feel that moisture in my skin anymore. In this, I definitely find that I still feel that moisturization that I want to feel in my face. So I definitely recommend this. Check it out, give it a try, let me know. I really, really like it. Like I said, I'm into clean skincare products, and Drunk Elephant is a clean skincare brand. I know that it is more on the pricey side, so I do apologize, but I do really, really enjoy these two products. Well, this one I didn't really pay for. This was my birthday gift, but this one I did. But I will definitely be purchasing this when I run out of this one because I think it's great. Now I want to talk about a more affordable, like, cream. This is from the Sephora brand. So I don't know if you guys know, I said this 100 times on my channel, but just in case you guys are new here, Sephora recently, like 6-7 months ago, launched their own line of clean skincare. So they have face wash, exfoliators, they have creams, they have moisturizers, they have so many different things, and it's at an affordable price, and it's clean skincare. So I have tried pretty much everything from that line except for maybe a few things, and I swear by that clean Sephora line. I swear by it, number one, because of the price. It's a clean, affordable product, which is amazing, and the products do freaking wonders. So the first product I want to talk about is this firming sleeping cream. When I saw that they launched this, I ran to Sephora and I was like, give it to me now. So this is exactly what it says, a firming sleeping cream. So I use this, I want to say like 3 nights a week because, no, I use it around 5 nights a week because I do exfoliate twice a week, which I will then use the Drunk Elephant whipped cream for those nights. But for just a regular night where I just did a regular face wash, I will go in with this. Now, this is not an extremely intensely hydrating cream, like not at all, not in my opinion at least. Like it is a thicker consistency and it goes on very, very smoothly. But if you really need moisture, you're gonna need this Drunk Elephant one. I keep talking and like I keep referencing back to this one, but I just want to like, I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. In this one you get 1.69 fluid ounces, and I've been using this for like 4 or 5 months, and this is where I'm at. I still have so much left, and this is good for 12 months, which is awesome. I think this cream was like $15 or $16, which is really not that expensive in my opinion. So this is exactly what it says, a firming sleeping cream, and I think it makes my skin look freaking amazing. You guys are probably like, firming, why are you using firming cream? Like, you don't need it. No, I like to like just prevent any of that like aging type thing. I've heard that like you're not supposed to start with firming creams like at a young age or whatever the case is, but I have been using this and it has not done any damage to my skin. I definitely feel like when I use this and I wake up in the morning, my skin is just like plumped and it just looks so smooth. Like I have no texture, I have nothing. I just think it really, really makes a difference in my skin, and I have definitely seen it. Like I obviously don't have like crazy like wrinkles or anything like that, thank God, but I have seen a difference in the way my skin's like elasticity is. It definitely is more like bouncier and just like fuller, and just it looks so good. When I wake up in the morning, I'm like, wow, like my skin looks really good, and I swear by this cream. I go like this on my neck, I use it on my neck, I use it on my face, I literally use it all over, because you obviously, whatever you do to your face, you want to do to your neck too, because your neck and your hands really show your age. So I definitely like to keep the creams just like going up my neck. You always want to do, when you put on any type of cream, skincare, you always want to push in upward motions, because if you're pulling down, you're going to pull your skin down. I know it's kind of like weird, like you think that like, me personally, like I just feel like natural is just to go like down, but no, you want to pull up, because that's obviously going to keep your skin up. We don't want to keep our skin down here, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I love this cream. You guys, do not sleep on the Sephora Clean Skincare line. I'm telling you, you guys are going to love it if you have not tried it. And if you have tried it, let me know down below what your go-to products are. Let me know if it works for you, if it didn't work for you. Whatever the case is, definitely leave me your thoughts down below. Next is another item from the Sephora line. This is the Sephora Brightening Eye Cream. This is what it looks like. I believe this retails for $15. This is what it looks like inside. I'm using this since about, I want to say like June. Now maybe like May, June-ish probably. No, definitely June, sorry. I have been using this since June, and this has been, I haven't even touched my other eye creams that I have. I've just been using them. I do have discoloration, like mainly in this part of my under eyes, which is like typical, like whatever. And over the past few years, with me drinking more water and using eye creams, it has brightened up for sure. But when I started using this, my under eyes were so, but they are so much brighter than they were. They're literally almost the same tone as my regular skin. Like obviously, like if I don't get enough sleep or whatever, if I'm like really tired, whatever the case is, they will be a little discolored, but for the most part, they are so much more brighter than they used to be. I love this cream, and this one is a very, very moisturizing cream in my opinion. I'll just kind of dip my finger in and just look up and tap. I will put it on my eyelid too, and I will go back to my temple, because that's what most eye creams tell you to do. They like tell you to tap and back up to your temple, so that's exactly what like the motion that I'll do. I love this cream. My under eyes look so moisturized and just so healthy, and it doesn't look like I need sleep, if that makes sense. So when I use this at night, I'm just like in such shock. I don't use it in the morning simply because when I put concealer on, I don't want it to absorb. I don't really use eye creams in the morning. I mainly just use them at night. That's my personal preference. But yeah, I really, really like love this cream. I know you guys are gonna be like, you guys, you love everything, but yeah, no, these are creams that I stand by. I think this is such an amazing one. It goes on so smoothly, and when you wake up in the morning, you just look like refreshed. Honestly, I can't say enough good things about this. Definitely check it out if you're in the market for an affordable eye cream. And this is another clean product. I don't know if I said that, but this is another clean product from Sephora at an affordable price, so definitely check it out. So this last one that I briefly want to talk to you guys about, obviously I'm into like firming things these days. I just started taking collagen, because when you turn 25, your body stops producing collagen. So I just started taking collagen, and I was like, you know, I want to like just keep my skin looking nice and plump. So have you guys ever heard of like those Jade Rollers, like the crystal rollers on your face? I recently just purchased this from Amazon. I will definitely have it linked down below for you guys, so you guys can check this out. Oh my god, I thought this was kind of like a gimmick, and I was like, you know what, let me just try it out. And it had really, really good reviews, honestly, so I was like, screw it, it's affordable, it's from Amazon. Worst comes to worst, I'll return it or whatever. It's not an $80 product where I'm going to be like, oh my god, no, this was like $16, I think. This makes my skin, I don't even know how to even explain this to you guys. I will sit there with this part, because this actually retains cold really, really good. Like this stays cold, which is good, which is what you want us to do. I will just sit there and go like this. It says you're supposed to do it for like 10, it says 10 times each evening. That's what you're supposed to do. So I will just go like this, and I will use it in the morning. And it really just makes me, honestly, it makes me feel more awake in the morning. And at night, I feel like what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to put your creams on, and then you're supposed to go in with this, and then use this, and it just kind of like buffs it in and just kind of like spreads everything everywhere. It is so freaking amazing. I've only been using it for about a week, and I am in love with it. I have been using it every single morning and night. I get up in the morning and I put my cream on, and I just go like this, and then at night when I'm doing my skincare, after I'm done, I will just go ahead and use it. And your skin does get red from it because you are forcing blood flow like through your space. But I really genuinely think it makes such a difference in how my skin looks. I know that I said that when I wake up in the morning with the firming cream, my skin looks plumped. Now my skin looks extra plumped, and I'm so into it, and it really helps with like my bags underneath my eyes, because sometimes my under eyes can get really puffy just because I'm tired or whatever. So this end, this little smaller end, I will use and go like this, and I just think this is amazing. This piece, I'm not really exactly sure how you use this piece, but I use it like this. So I will just go back and forth like this, and I really feel like my skin looks brighter. That's what it says it's supposed to do. So I don't know if this is like me just like it's in my head or whatever, but I swear to you guys, I see such a difference in my skin. I had like this weird thing happening right here. It wasn't like a pimple or anything. My skin just kind of looked like I had a bump. Like it's still kind of there, but not really, not as pronounced as it was. And once I started taking the collagen and once I started using this, it really smoothed it out. I don't know what was happening there. It was just very weird, but it really smoothed it out. And I had this like dark spot right on my cheek, and when I started using this, it got brighter and brighter and brighter. Now it's like not even there. So I don't know what's happening, but I feel like this is like doing magic to my skin. So yeah, I will have this link down below for you guys if you guys are interested and you want to check it out. But I really do like that. I like the concept of it because it's supposed to keep your skin firm. So obviously you go in upward motions, you don't go down, you go up, and it just like brings the elasticity back and really keeps your skin firm. And of course I will do underneath my neck as well. So I definitely think that you guys should check this out. I think it is a great product, and at such an affordable price. I think it's awesome. I'm sure over time I will see more results, but I've only been using it for a week, so I can't really say too much about it besides that I feel like I have already seen a difference in my skin. But I'm hoping that as I'm using it more and more, I will like see more of a difference in my skin. So definitely check this guy out. Okay, so that completes this top 5 clean skincare products that I swear by. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know any clean skincare products that you guys use down below. Let me know if you want me to do like a video on my my face washes and my exfoliants and stuff like that. And if you want, I can do a top 5 on my hair care too. Let me know. Leave me any of your requests down below, and I will be happy to film that video for you guys. But yeah, these are all products that I definitely swear by, and I definitely think you guys should check them out. I know Drunk Elephant is a little bit more on the pricey side, so even if you don't want to check out the Drunk Elephant, check out the Clean line at Sephora. I don't think you guys will be disappointed. I literally use all of their products every single day of my life, and I think my skin just looks healthier and brighter. And especially switching to clean skincare, I can definitely see the difference in my skin, like I said in the beginning of the video. I just think like not having any of those harmful chemicals or anything like that in your skincare can really make a difference in how your skin actually looks. So definitely be mindful of what you're putting like on your skin as skincare. I know makeup is like a whole different thing, so I mean it's a little bit harder to find good clean makeup, but I think nowadays it's so much easier to find clean skincare, and your makeup can only look as good as the skin underneath. So just keep that in mind, you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please leave me any of your recommendations down below. I love trying new clean skincare products, so don't forget to leave that down below. Yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will hopefully see you guys in my next video. Bye!